The moment you invite a third or fourth person into your private local playground, the cracks start to show in ways you never saw coming. You spent weeks setting up this perfect chat interface, thinking you found the holy grail of open source software, but suddenly the logins are glitching and the session states are crossing wires. This is the hidden wall that separates the hobbyist project from the real-world infrastructure we see in the current landscape. We have two heavy hitters right now. Open WebUI and LibreChat aren't on the surface. They might look like they are doing the exact same thing. They both give you that clean chat-style window into your private models. They both feel fast and responsive when you are the only one typing. But the architecture underneath those buttons is where the two worlds collide. Open WebUI is the darling of the community for a reason. It is beautiful. It is incredibly easy to get running on a home machine. For one person or a tiny group of friends experimenting with local models, it feels like magic. But there is a trade-off for that simplicity. The way it handles user sessions and internal state is very minimal. It was built for speed and ease of use, not necessarily for managing 100 people all hammering the server at the same time. If you try to push it into a corporate environment or a public service, you are going to find yourself fighting with authentication hurdles and messy user isolation. It just wasn't meant to be a massive enterprise backbone out of the box. You might find that the database starts to chug. You might notice that the memory management just can't keep up with concurrent streams from multiple users. Now look at the other side of the fence with LibreChat. It is not as breezy to set up. It feels denser and heavier. It might even feel a bit more intimidating when you first look at the configuration files. But that weight exists for a specific reason. It was built with the assumption that you are going to scale from day one. It brings in tools for role-based access and specific user quotas. It offers a much more robust way of keeping everyone's data separate and secure. It is the difference between building a shed in your backyard and erecting a skyscraper. The shed is great until you try to fit 50 people inside. LibreChat is that skyscraper. It has the structural integrity to handle the load, even if it takes more work to get the foundation poured. Most people get lured in by the sleek look of the lighter options and then find themselves stuck when their team grows. They realize too late that switching architectures is a massive headache. You have to decide right now if you are building a personal tool or a shared service that needs to be up constantly. If you want long-term stability, you need a way to track your resources. The extra effort of the more complex system is the only way to go. It is about choosing between the comfort of the easy start and the security of a reliable finish. One gives you immediate gratification while the other provides a platform that holds up under pressure. The interface is just the skin, but the session manager is the heart and lungs of your operation. Make the choice your future self will thank you for.